2017 GMC Yukon cabin filter replacement. So you want to open your glove box. It's tucked behind here, behind some stuff. First we got to get this guy out. This is like a little dampener, plunger, whatever they want to call it. You want to grab it and push it down and pull it out. If you look on this other side here, you see that little hole? You're going to push that little plastic circle down to the bigger hole, and then you can be able to pull this out. It's kind of tough, I'm not going to lie. So I push it down and grab it, pull it out, and then you could just let it go. We'll get it back later. Now you're going to squeeze the side of the glove box on each side with both hands and pull this down like that. You could let it rest, just gently. Don't put any weight on it though while it's resting. This little plastic panel has to come off. It has 1, 2, 3, and then there's 2 more on top. Little screws. Those are the Torx. It's a T10. Well, that's what worked for me. I think maybe like a T15 might fit as well. I think my bit was a little small, but I got them out fine. So that was a T10. So pull these out, and then try not to lose them or drop them down any crevices. Get these 2 up at the top here. All right, get this one, and then set those aside. You can put them in the cup holder. Oh, there's one right here as well, so get this one out. Now once you got these out, we're gonna push the little plunger string through that hole, and then grab this and just kind of gently work it out. All right, like that. Now that's out. Now the cabin filter covers right here. How you get it off is there are these little plastic hooks on top you pull back. It's kind of a tight fit, so if you have like giant hands, like it's gonna suck a little bit. You just pull this off here. There's like wire harness kind of in the way, but once you get this off, you're gonna kind of have to massage this out of here, snake it out. Try not to break the tabs on the bottom of it because they're little hooks that go in holes. This is your cabin filter. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Just kind of pull it. Try not to drop any leaves and debris down into the blower fan. All right, pull this out. This one is pretty dirty, so it's a good thing that we're replacing it. I'll show you my new one. Here's my new one. It's a MicroGuard 4071 is the part number. I'm going to link this in the description to Amazon. Probably be a different brand though, because Amazon doesn't really carry MicroGuards. But if your filter says airflow with an arrow pointing down, you're going to make sure this arrow is pointing down when you put it in, because that's the direction of the airflow. When that fan's on, it's sucking air down into it. If it just has an arrow pointing up and it doesn't say airflow, then just point the arrow up. So I'll slide this in here. Again, check the Amazon link in the description. I'll put the right one on there. So that's it. Now you gotta put this cover on. Now these hooks on the bottom need to go in first. Again, it's a tight fit. It's not the best design. Just be patient. This is like really important to be patient right here, because if you start to lose it and you just start shoving this thing in, you're gonna break the tabs. So get the bottom hooks in first, and then you can push the top on. They'll just clip into place. Those should clip in like no problem. It shouldn't really be a struggle. After that, we got to put this panel back in right here, and then the plunger back in on the glove box. So it's pretty much just reverse of how we got it out. Put all the screws in. There's I think there's 6 total. 2 on top, 3 on the bottom, and then the 1 on the right in the side there. So get these in. Sorry if it's making you dizzy, but I'm not gonna make you watch me go hecka slow and put these in. All right, so those are in. It's a T10. That's what I use, Torx. All right, so I got this in. Now we gotta pull this plunger through that hole. Oh, you should have done that first before you put those screws in. Hopefully you did. We could push this up. It'll just stay in place now. You can just push it up. And those little knobs on the side will hold it. Take this plunger string, and then we're gonna put it back into this hole right here. Just grab it, put it into the larger hole on the bottom, and then let it slide up to lock into place. If it doesn't slide up all the way, don't worry about it. It'll slide up over time. As long as it's in there, it won't pop out. And if you break that string, it's not the end of the world. Your glove box just might open faster. But all right, that's how you do it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.
You're pretty good.